how to make a 3D text in Photoshop. Now first of all, I'll write something here. Let's see, subscribe. Wait a second, I'll write subscribe. So yeah, let's say increase its size to 160 so that it might be. So here it is. Now this is in the 2D form. We are not seeing its z-axis. What I'll do is I'll select this, and here you have got the option of 3D. I'll select this. Yes. So it is opening. Now you can see that you have got the option of 3D here. So you can select it and do it in the as you want, and later you can basically save this. So this is how to convert a normal text into 3D.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.